2-inch color LCD display, Y controller interface, mechanical oil return button, wheel outlet, Bluetooth remote control, sling hoop, battery latch, battery slot, oil filler hole, 3-speed automatic reset switch, available with crimping, cutting, punching, and other split tools. Check battery level. Install battery. Press the manual button to activate the screen. The model number and tools aspect. Operation mode selection. Remote control switch. Lighting on and off. Bluetooth on and off. Use times, duration, maintenance reminders. Real-time pressure curve. Split crimping tool demonstration. Remove the dust-proof cap from the tubing male connector. Remove the dust cap from the oil outlet of the pump. Connect the tubing to the pump outlet. Remove the dust cap from the connector. Remove the dust cap from the tubing female connector. Connect the tubing to the nipper connector. Select the crimp mode. Select automatic mode. Remote mode off. Manually click the press key. Automatic pressing process. Automatic pressure relief when the rated pressure is reached. Select the crimping mode. Select manual mode. Remote mode on. Click the press key. Automatic pressing process. Automatic pressure relief when the rated pressure is reached. Split cutting tool demonstration. Select the cutting mode. Select manual mode. Remote mode on. Click the press key. Automatic pressing process. Automatic pressure relief after shearing. Open the Intelligent Construction Management System app. Select Smart Crimp. Enter the serial number of the tool. Click Query. You can see the historical crimping data for this tool. Select Online Tools on the main screen. You can locate and navigate the tool. Thanks for watching.